Good day everyone and welcome back once again to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet these beautiful tops for your girls. But before anything else, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to my upcoming videos. So the first thing you need to do is to make this crochet pentagon. So I have a different tutorial of this. You can visit my YouTube account and check on this video. And what I am using is I am using an Indophil yarn. So this is a 4-ply. If you want to purchase this yarn, you can visit my TikTok shop, Crafting by Gracie. I will put the link on the description below. So first, we're going to sew these two pentagons. So we are going to make a single crochet. So we'll just insert our hook into these two corners and then pull our yarn, and then we are going to make a one chain, and then we are going to make single crochet all throughout this round. Now we have reached the top, so we'll cut our yarn and leave some allowance for sewing. So all you need to do is hide the yarn and then tie them. So we are going to tie them to secure. So on the sides, we are going to crochet something like this. So I am done with the first side already. Now in this corner, we are going to insert our hook and pull the green yarn. And then we are going to make one chain and then make a single crochet. So we are going to make 4 single crochet first. Next is we're going to make half double crochet. So we're going to make 4 half double crochet. Next is we're going to make 4 double crochet. So after this 4 double crochet, we are going to make a treble crochet. So we are going to finish this with treble crochets. So this is how we do the treble crochet. So this is how it looked like. After this, we're going to make 4 chains. So after making 4 chains, we are going to turn, and then we are to leave one space, and then insert the hook on the other space and make a double crochet. and then make one chain and do the double crochet into the next space, and we will just repeat until we reach the other side. After finishing this round, again we're going to make 4 chains and then turn, and then make a double crochet into the next space along with the double crochet, and then make another chain and double crochet on the other space, and then just repeat the process until we reach our desired width. So mine is I made 8 spaces. So it's up to you if you want to add. After finishing the sides, I will just continue by making single crochet on the bottom part. So we will just continue making single crochet until we reach the other side. Now we still need to continue making single crochet. So on this part, so this is the back part of our top, of our tops or our blouse. So just continue making single crochet until we reach the top part of our blouse, and then make 180 chains. So this is now our 180 chains. So we are going to add one chain and then make a slip stitch. So this is how we are going to do our slip stitch. So after finishing the slip stitch, so we are going to continue making our single crochet. So we are going to turn this. So insert the hook into these two stitches and make a single crochet, and then insert the hook on the white part and then continue making single crochet. Just continue making single crochet until we reach the other side. So on this part, we will just repeat the process. We are going to make 180 chains and then make a slip stitch. And then after that, just continue making single crochet until you reach the bottom part. After we reach the bottom part, we are going to do something like this. So make 4 chains and leave 4 spaces and make a single crochet on the 5th chain. So just repeat 4 chains, leave 4 spaces, and then make a single crochet on the next stitch. So just continue until you reach the end part. So after that, we are going to make a stitches on the spaces, so one single crochet, and then we are going to do the double crochet. So just make 3 double crochet and then one single crochet. So repeat one single crochet and 3 double crochet. So the end part, because our hole is small, so just make one single crochet and 3 double crochet. So we are done with this round. So what we are going to do is we're going to hide our yarn and secure them. So we are nearly done. So the last thing that we are going to do is we are going to put the tie at the back. So this is how we are going to put the tie. And I hope you learned something. So I hope you like this video. Please do share it with your friends, and please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment on the comment section below. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you all next time. Bye.